Today on Ask the Expert, we are here at DelCotto Law Group right downtown Lexington, and I'm here with Laura Day DelCotto. She's an attorney here. Laura, thank you so much for having us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Lisa.
Now, let's talk about financial problems that folks out there might be having due to the current environment. When should folks out there be talking to an attorney if they are having financial problems?
I think yes and no is the answer to that. Eventually, I do think they need to talk to an attorney, but I think there's a lot they can do to educate themselves before they're paying an attorney. Some of those things are just read online about different kinds of bankruptcies.
Okay.
Work on organizing all your financial records so that you understand who you owe and what they have liens on, and there's a lot of information. So before a lawyer does a lot of work, they need a lot of background information from the client.
Okay, all right. And how does that work with the accountants and the financial advisors working with your all's attorneys? How does that work exactly?
So a lot of the people I work with are business owners, so normally they will have a CFO or some in-house person who understands their finances, so that's a critical person on the team.
Yeah.
And then their outside accountant, we work with them also. So
Gotcha.
that's very important for the lawyer and the financial people to be on the same page.
Okay, good. And then also, we were talking about this before the segment. People sometimes tend to wait too long. When is the good time for people to say, you know what, time out, I need to talk to an attorney? When should that happen, do you think?
I think it's when you're really worried and you're lying awake at night, not able to sleep because you're so stressed out, because you don't understand what's going to happen. So the more you can understand that there is a process and it's not immediate and there's time to do things, then you feel better about what's going on in your life, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. And then also, too, how do folks pay for an attorney when they're already in financial distress and worried about that? How does that work?
So, you know, these big cases we read about in the news cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to go through Chapter 11, but most lawyers take a small retainer and then take some money over time as the case goes along. So.
Oh, great. I mean, that definitely helps ease concerns for a lot of folks. Laura, thank you so much for being with us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.